Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, meet me again with me Natasha Putri. In this video, I will explain about WPS or Wi-Fi Protected Setup on Mikrotik. WPS or Wi-Fi Protected Setup function to make it easier for client to connect to a wireless network without the need to perform authentication using a password. And then the following is topology used in this material. In topology, I use one router, which router using configuration wireless, namely SSID is PPS strip about IT, mode is AP bridge, and using WPS button, and router using configuration the HTTP server. And then client is connected to the SSID WPS strip about IT using WPS button. And directly to configuration WPS. First, open the Winbox application to remote router Mikrotik. Before configure WPS, we must configure the following first. Check the interface used with the command interface print. It can be seen that the router uses Ether2 for remote and WLAN 1 to configure internet access, and WLAN 2 which will later be used as WPS. And next is to request IP DHCP client using interface WLAN 1. Before requesting the HTTP client, first connect the router, use the SSID as internet access. To make a request, use the command IP DHCP client at interface WLAN 1 disable no. Check with the command IP DHCP client print. It can be seen that the interface WLAN 1 on the router get the IP address which is 192.168.46.152/24 and status is bound, and interface WLAN 1 get the DNS and IP route. And then configure IP firewall NAT so that the client connected to the server get internet access as well by using the command interface firewall NAT at chain is source NAT on interface use interface connected to the internet, namely WLAN 1 for action using masquerade. And then check with the command IP firewall NAT print. It appears that we have successfully performed the configuration IP firewall NAT. And then perform ping DNS Google and domain google.com to ensure that the router used is connected to the internet. With the command ping egg.egg.egg.egg and ping domain google.com, namely ping google.com. It can be seen that the result is reply, which means that the router is connected to the internet. And then make a security profile as authentication to connect to SSID using the command interface wireless security profile at name. For name from security profile, in here I use profile 2. Mode is dynamic key, authentication type is WPA PSK and WPA2 PSK. Unicast chippers using ASCCM and group chipper using ASCCM also. And password, use the security profile, type the command WPA preset key. In here I use password is about IT. And WPA to preset key. In here I use password same, namely about IT. Check it with the command interface wireless security profile print. You can see that the security profile using name profile 2 has been successfully created. And then add the interface virtual, namely interface VLAN 2 to configure the access point from configure WPS. Using the command interface wireless add name. In here I use name WLAN 2. Master interface is WLAN 1. And then activate interface WLAN 2 with the command interface wireless enable WLAN 2. Check with the command interface wireless print. It can be seen that the interface WLAN 2 is active because in flags without sync X. And then set interface WLAN 2 using the command interface wireless set WLAN 2 using mode is IP bridge, SSID is WPA strip about IT. And using security profile is security profile previously created, namely profile 2. And activate to WPS mode is push button. And then check with the command interface wireless print. It appears that the interface WLAN 2 has been successfully set up. In the client, we seen here the SSID WPS about ID has been successfully created. And next, add the IP address for WLAN 2 with the command IP address add address. In here I use address 26.26.26.1/24 using interface WLAN 2. Check with the command IP address print. It appeared that the IP address was successfully added, namely 26.26.26.1. Then configure the DHCP setup so that the client are connected to the server can get the IP address automatically from server using the command IP DHCP server setup. DHCP server interface using WLAN 2. DHCP address page or network using default. Gateway using default and address to give client using default. DNS server using DNS from Google and list system using default, namely 10 manage. And then check with the command IP DHCP server print. It can be seen that the DHCP server using interface WLAN 2 has been successfully created. And then perform testing the WPS feature on the client. Before connecting the client to the create access point, do WPS accept so that the client can get the security profile package used by access point. For perform WPS accept using the command Interface wireless WPS push button using interface WLAN 2. And next, directly connect the laptop to SSID WPS about IT and click connect. Then the laptop will get the setting for the password used by SSID from the router. Here we wait until the process is complete. Here you can see that the client is connected to the SSID WPS about IT without the need to enter a password using the WPS button feature. And then check the IP address obtained by the client. Open the network connection. Click change adapter option. Right click on Wi-Fi and click status. It can be seen that IP version for connectivity using status internet. SSID is WPS about IT. It can be seen that the IP address obtained is 26.26.26.254. And next, make sure that the client is connected to the server and internet by pinging to domain google.com and IP gateway from CMD with the command ping 26.26.26.26.1 and ping to domain google.com using command ping google.com. Here you can see that the result is reply, which means that the client is connected to the server and the internet. That is the explanation from me regarding the WPS feature on MikroTik. More or less sorry until we meet again in the next video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.